Okay, so the weather's been getting warmer, it's getting a lot nicer outside, and I can feel the springtime in the air, which also means it's getting closer to air conditioning season. So I thought, why not start up the York for 2021? So this will be the first startup of this unit for the year, and it's coming up right now. So, it just started up. Seems like no problem at all. It's nice. And it would be really cool to actually compare the sound of the startup from, like, I guess you could say mid-season, or like when it's actually running in an operation. Because the startup sounds are a little bit different. Yeah, we'll definitely see that. The air is warm. Seems to be working well. The line sets back there. And just have a Gentech fan motor and a Bristol reciprocating compressor. And it's really interesting because this unit actually runs R410A, yet it has a reset. I don't see very many often compressors or reciprocating compressors that run the R410A refrigerant. Usually it's like R22 or something. Typically the R410A units all have like scrolls. But I guess that's something about the York LX series, like this here. Okay, so once again the unit is working well. There's cold air coming out of the vents. The liquid line is good, and the suction line back there is getting cold. This part, the ductwork is also getting cold, so that means it is working well. I think it's time to shut it down. Alright, there we have it. It's right there quickly, so the fan's still spinning there. But that is the startup and shutdown of the York Central Air Conditioner for 2021. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.